Welcome back, everybody. August 2nd. We're about ready to jump on I-10 east, west. I think west of San Antonio. It's a hot day, 102 degrees. And what we're doing today is we're experimenting. I'm about 50 minutes from the house. And I want to see if wearing this attire is cooler than just wearing short sleeve shirts. There we go. Let's just get out here in this lane where I'm away from all traffic. Oh, let's close that visor down. It's very windy. That's a beautiful Blazer, everybody. K-Series. I like it. I like the colors. I like the bimini top or whatever they call that thing. And that thing is moving. We're doing about 85, not quite 85 miles per hour. Let me know in 6 miles we need to do something. Move highways or something. But yeah, I was roasting in my short sleeve shirt. So let's see if wearing one of these lightweight, this is not gonna be good. My phone's gonna overheat and shut down. I don't like this. I think I took the wrong way out of the doctor's appointment. Okay. This is going to be a really good, good way of checking this shirt. Hopefully that is not for me. Yeah, I don't do 410. I do down here. So 410's like one of the outer belts. I hit 410 on the other side. I'm literally going across San Antonio. But yeah, I want to see if I feel more comfortable, if I feel warmer, not as warm. I think when it's unique. So I don't feel the heat of the sun, the rays on me, but I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, people, and it's 104 degrees, says the Spider. So it's warm. It's very warm. Back down to 102. So we're probably running about 103 degrees. I do feel warm, but I don't feel the sting of the sun, if that makes sense. You're right out in the sun, you get that you get a sting when it's super warm. We have an emergency vehicle ahead, and I'm just riding my ride. Yes, I might be aggressive at times, but I like to find my little safe spot on the highway, and this is my safe spot on the highway. Hopefully we keep moving. The phone tries to overheat when it's this warm. The body tries to overheat when it's this warm. But, you know, we're going. Look at the old throwback colors on the Bronco. So that Bronco's painted like it would have been back in the day when it was new in the 60s. I think it's kind of cool. And we still have emergency vehicles on the road. Got a Mustang, it looks like, broke down with the hood up. It's just hot, people. Cars, oh no, it's a Camaro. My mistake. Camaro, trying to get jumped. It doesn't make sense, but okay. So, no, I do not like riding in all of the traffic here in San Antonio. Question 1. No, I don't prefer as warm as it is when I ride the Spider. But, I mean, we're in August. It's supposed to be warm, right? Warm, hot, humid, whatever, you know. It's going to be a temporary thing, and then we will be into fall where I think I'm going to absolutely love it. I'm going to love that I'm going to be able to ride all year. So we got 2 miles to start moving over. There we go. I'll just chill in this lane. I don't know if I need the very far right lane or not. What road? We're doing upper level 35. I don't like this lane. Okay, 3 lanes, people. You guys keep that in mind. You need the right 3 lanes to do upper level 35. I like this lane a little bit better. I don't like sitting. I don't like sitting. I'm not gonna sit in traffic just chilling. I'm gonna find a spot and I'm gonna go. And this isn't bad traffic. It's just traffic, you know? So everybody just needs to pay attention. I don't know about this yet. Keep me to the right, people. And then everything's double decked here, so upper level's the same as 35 below. It's just we're double decked. I got 2 miles to jump back over. And then when we come on to, we're on 35, and we go from 35 to 35, I got to jump all the way back over to the left-hand lane. These roads, it's funny, I think people that came to Texas and they were like, let's make an interstate system, and they took some spaghetti and they cooked it and they just threw it and said, there we go. Now, this is our interstate. It is crazy. Okay, so now 35 north, and there's San Antonio. Hi, San Antonio. There's a river that runs through San Antonio. It's called the River Walk. It is gorgeous. I don't know what the name of the river is. Maybe I'll look it up. I more than likely won't. It's a river. Come to San Antonio, do the River Walk. It's quite beautiful. You got stopped cars. Look at that traffic. Gotta love it. I gotta go across all that because I gotta jump in that left lane. Big bump. Ooh, it's like coming off of a curb. I'll tell you, these roads. Oh, let's get some air. Let's get some air. I came across one of these getting here, and this guy was pissed off. I had plenty of room like this, and I jumped into it, and he came right up on me, and I was like, really? Thank you. Yeah, traffic. I mean, what else can you say? I don't know if I feel warmer, cool. I feel cooler now that I'm not going as fast. Does that make sense? I still don't feel the sun on me, and this is, I mean, it's a huge shirt on me. This is one of my big boy shirts. UV, all of that stuff. So it's a nice shirt for if you're out in the weather. Let's go, people.